Boy, do I have some great news. The weatherman has cleared us of clear weather all week. Nice warm temperatures. So it is time to kick the hay season in the butt. Well, here we are here. I've been cutting this now. I've got about maybe 8 passes in. It's pretty good grass. See, it's got a good ryegrass and it's got vetch mixed in with it, and it's coming out pretty good. Pretty nice grass here. It's got clover mix. Let me see, it's up here about waist high on me here. It's cutting it pretty good. Some good clean hay. Not really any weeds or anything in it. Starting to make some fine hay right here. So there you have it. That's how it's been going so far. Hit a few wet spots I had to circle out around. So this ought to make a lot of hay. Really looking forward to it.